October 2025. One liner. What has Asian Development Bank raised India's growth forecast to for the fiscal year 2026? 6.7 था पहले, अब कितना हो गया है? 6.5%. What is India's rank out of 176 country with a score of 53.0 in the Index of Economic Freedom 2025 by the Heritage फाउंडेशन? कौन रिलीज करता है? द हेरिटेज फाउंडेशन. 128 है. सिंगापुर टॉप पे है. वेयर वॉज एशियाज लार्जेस्ट वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इनॉग्रेटेड ऑन 30 September? ओखला, दिल्ली. ऑन विच डेट वॉज इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसलेशन डे 2025 सेलिब्रेटेड? 30 September. On 1 October 25, in its bi-monthly Monetary Policy 2025, the RBI revised its GDP growth forecast for fiscal year 2026 from 6.5% to what new figure? 6.8%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a postage stamp and a coin to commemorate how many years of establishment of RSS? 100 years. Who was appointed as the Chief Secretary of New Delhi? राजीव वर्मा. कौन है? राजीव वर्मा. Aims increasing US restriction on H-1B visa. Which country launched K visa for global young STEM professionals starting October 1? China. India's free trade agreement with EFTA nations came into effect on 1 October. Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland. What was the theme for the International Day of Older Person celebrated? Old person advancing local and global action, our aspiration, our well-being and our rights. Which fortnight was jointly observed by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation's Ministry of Jal Shakti? स्वच्छोत्सव. क्या है? स्वच्छ उत्सव. In which national park was India's first cheetah safari launch? कूनो नेशनल पार्क कहाँ पे है? मध्य प्रदेश में. Where did Airbus and Tata announce the establishment of first private assembly plant for H-125 helicopter? कहाँ पे है? वेमागी, कर्नाटका. कहाँ पे है? वेमागी, कर्नाटका. Who assumed charge 35th Director General of National Cadet Corps NCC? Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Which state launched Spice Route Initiative? Kerala. Who launched My Bharat mobile application for youth empowerment on October? Mankhus Mandavya. According to Forbes list released on 1 October, who became the first person in history with total net worth $500 billion? Elon Musk. According to the Huron India Rich List 2025 released on 1 October, Shah Rukh Khan, who is world's richest actor. Between which two nations was India's railway first assured transit time container train service launch? Delhi से कोलकाता. Which country launched the world's first dual tower solar thermal power plant in Gobi Desert? China. Who is the only cricketers in the world to be included in Time magazine's Times 100 Next list released on October? Yashasvi Jaiswal. Who has written forward to Indian edition of the autobiography of Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, titled I Am Georgia, My Roots, My Principle? Narendra Modi. Where did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurate the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Digital University? New Delhi. Where is India's only dormant volcano located, which erupted October 2? Bartang Island, Andaman Nicobar. Who were honored the National Dhanvantri Ayurveda Award? Professor Banwari Lal Gaur, Vaidya Neelakandan. Which became the first state in India to conduct complete population assessment of snow leopard? Himachal Pradesh. Where was 11th World Green Economy Summit, Dubai? Which medal did Mirabai Chanu win World Weightlifting Champion 2025 in for Norway? Silver medal. With a total of how many medals did India top the medal tally at ISSF Junior World Cup shooting in New Delhi? 26. 8 gold मिला, 10 silver and 8 bronze. Which renowned vocalist and eminent figure of Hindustani classical music honored Padma Vibhushan passed away in Mirzapur? Pandit Chanulal Mishra. Which Indian freedom fighter and last Gandhian socialist leader passed away in Mumbai? Dr. G.G. Parikh. Who was honored with the International Social Security Association Award for Outstanding Achievement of Social Security in Kuala Lumpur, India? Social Security Association Award किसको मिला? इंडिया को मिला है. What name did Maharashtra government give to Navi Mumbai International Airport? Loknete DV Patil International Airport. Which country launched Southeast Asia's first polar lava cryobank, a significant step towards preserving marine biodiversity? Philippines. On October 4th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched scheme by what name of modernize 1000 government ITIs across country, PM Setu? Where did the Odisha government announce the establishment of Gyan Yagya Mandapam Digital Library, Puri? On October 4, Union Health Minister advised against administering cow and cold medicine to children under what age? 2 years. Which petrol vessels was launched by Indian Coast Guard? Akash. Akshar. Under which project did BRO construct the world's highest motorable road at altitude of 19,400 feet at the Mingla Pass in Ladakh? Project Himmank. Which food item from the Bihar declared a global export by Agriculture Minister Shivraj Chauhan? Makhana. In which state did several children die after consuming cold trip cough syrup? Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Archaeologists announced the discovery of 12,000-year-old T-shaped pillar at Karatepe archaeological site, Turkey. What was the theme for 100th World Animal Day celebrated? Save Animals, Save the Planet. Where was Coal India's first fully women-operated central store unit inaugurated on October? Korba, Chhattisgarh. Where was Rajasthan first Namo Biodiversity Park, Namo One, Pratap Dam, Alwar? In which state did Union Home Minister Amit Shah unveil the Mahaje Ghar scheme? Goa. Mahaje Ghar scheme कहाँ का है? गोवा का. Which country successfully conducted the world's first live underwater interview? Palau. Where was the museum dedicated to A. Ramchandran, one of India's most celebrated modern artists, inaugurated? Kollam, Kerala. Whom did Vidarbha defeated by 93 runs to win Irani Cup 26 title, third time? Rest of India. Where was 10th National Pollution Response Exercise conducted? Chennai. Where did Amit Shah inaugurate India's first cooperative-based CNG and spray dryer potash granule project? Kopargaon, Maharashtra. By what name did Indian Navy launch its second anti-submarine warfare vessels, Visakhapatnam, INS? And by what name did DRDO launch India's first interoperable and indigenous military radio communication system for 3 armed forces, IRSA-1? On October 6, the Election Commission announced that 243-member Bihar Legislative Assembly elections would be held in how many phases? 2 phases, 6th November and 11th November. In which state, Changlang district, did Union Coal Minister G. Kishan Reddy inaugurated Namchik Nampu Coal Mine, Arunachal Pradesh? Who was appointed brand ambassador of Viksit Bharat Bulletin 2025 by the central government? Subhanshu Shukla, the Indian first to reach the II appointed the brand ambassador of English Premier League in India, Sanju Samson. Who was appointed brand ambassador of English Premier League, Sanju Samson's. The Defence Minister Rajnath Singh released the book After Me Chaos Astrology in the Mughal Empire, written by whom? M.J. Akbar. Where was the 69th National School Games held on? Srinagar. For which discovery were the three American scientists John Charles Michael H. Devote and John M. Martins awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of microscopic quantum tunneling and energy level in the electric circuit? Which state became the first to abolish Madrasa board and integrate minority educational institutions into the mainstream education system? Uttarakhand. Who was appointed as the President of Indian Chairman of Commerce? Brij Bhushan Agarwal. World Bank increased its GDP growth forecast for India for the fiscal year 2026 from 6.3% to 6.5%. Which state signed agreement with ISSE Bangalore for the production of green hydrogen for paddy straw? Punjab. Which state was Arundhoi 3.0 scheme launched to provide financial assistance to poor families? Assam. Which state celebrated Mera Hau Chongo Festival? Manipur. Who became the first medal winner for India at the Judo Junior World Champion held in Lima, Peru? Lithoi Chanambam. Which day celebrated on October 7th World Cotton? For which discovery were Susumu Kitagwai of Japan, Richard Robson of Australia, and Omar M. Yagi of USA awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the development of metal organic frameworks? Which three Indian ports were designed as a green hydrogen hubs by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Deen Dayal, Pradeep, and V.O. Chidambaram Tuticorin. Which of the India's largest greenfield airport inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 8th October? Navi Mumbai International Airport. By what name Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a mobility app on October 8 to integrate various public transport systems in Mumbai metropolitan region? Mumbai 1. Who launched a retail sandbox for digital rupee in India on October? RBI. Where is world's only museum based on theme of Mahabharata? Sri Krishna Museum, located addition to new wing announced on October 8. Kurukshetra, Haryana. Where did Nitin Gadkari inaugurate India's first commercial electric truck battery swapping and charging station? Sonipat, Haryana. Where did Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated historic Brihaspati Kund? Ayodhya. Whom did Election Commission appoint the chief election mascot for Bihar Assembly? Choti Chiraiya. Who was announced the recipient of Shastra Arjuna Prize 2025 Outstanding Contribution for Number Theory? Alexander Smith, America. Which became the first state in India to pass amendment bill to the Central Wildlife Protection 1972 with the aim of reducing human-wildlife conflict? Kerala. Which anniversary of its establishment did Indian Air Force celebrated? 93rd. What was the theme of National Wildlife Week celebrated in India? Human-wildlife coexistence. Keir Starmer, the Prime Minister of which country? Britain. Where was the 6th Global FinTech Fest held? Mumbai. By which name was the joint naval exercise the Indian Navy and the British Royal Navy conducted on west coast of India? Konkan 2025. For which of his visionary and apocalyptic novels was Hungarian writer Laszlo Krasznahorkai awarded 2025 Nobel Prize Literature? Satsango and the Malacholi Resistance. What is India's rank in total number of listed universities in Times Higher Education's World History Ranking 2026? Second, the United Nations as the top. An agreement was signed with which Indian institute to establish a new satellite campus during visit of British Prime Minister Keir Starmer to India. IIT Dhanbad. Association Commerce held Barbados Om Birla Lok Sabha. 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Conference held in Barbados. इसको पता नहीं कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं आप लोग, सही से कर लेना, सॉरी. Which Indian cricketer created history by winning Mrs. Universe 2025 title for the first time, held in Manila? Shreyas. By what name did the Indian Army launch Indonesia's anti-drone grid real-time airspace control developed Bharat Electronic Saksham? Where was the first vibrant Gujarat regional conference held? Kherwa, Mehsana. Who was appointed as executive director of RBI? Sonali Sen Gupta. Which former Prime Minister of Britain was appointed as senior advisor by US tech giant Microsoft and AI startup Anthropic? Rishi Sunak. Which foreign minister of Taliban government made his first official visit to India? Amir Khan Muttaqi. Which professional bodybuilder and actor passed away on 9th October? Vrinder Singh Guha. Maria Corina Mahado of which country was awarded 2025 Nobel Peace Prize for her courageous work in promoting democracy and peaceful change? Venezuela. Who launched the multilingual user interface, the Manas app, on the occasion of World Mental Health? JP Nadda. Whom did Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare appoint as his first mental health ambassador? Deepika Padukone. Which Indian was honored with the prestigious Canton R. Miller Award for Innovation in Century Management for the first time by the International Union of Conservation Nature, Abu Dhabi? Sonali Ghosh. Who became the first Indian fast bowler player 50 or more wickets in all three formats cricket? Jasprit Bumrah. In which state was a new WAP species? West Bengal. Which country announced development of multi-layered air defense system T-Dome? Taiwan. What was the theme of World Mental Health? Access to service. Mental health is in distress and emergency. Where was the 9th edition of Asia's largest telecom event in India Mobile Congress, New Delhi? Which agriculture-related scheme were launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 11? Pradhan Mantri Krishi Dhan Dhanya Yojana and the Pulse Self-Reliance Mission. Which film created history by winning 30th award on 70th Filmfare Award in Ahmedabad? Lapata Ladies. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Asian Table Tennis Championship? Achata Sharat Kamai. For the first time, which medal did India win the mixed team championship at BWF World Junior Champion Bronze? What was the theme for International Day of Girl Child celebrated on 11th October? The Girl I Am, the Change I Lead. Where was the first Global Wildlife Fair 2025 held? New Delhi. Where was the third International Purple Fair for persons with disabilities held from October 9 to 12th? Panji, Goa. On October 12th, which state became the first Indian to provide 12-day menstruation leave manually in both public and private sector? Karnataka. Who became the first female fight engineer of Border Security Force Air Wing? Bhavna Chaudhary. Where was India's first semiconductor innovation museum? Hyderabad. How many beaches in Maharashtra were awarded International Blue Flag certification on 12th October? 5. Srivardhan and Nagaon in Raigad district, Parnaka in Palghar, Guhar and Ladar in Ratnagiri district. Which state launched the CM Flight Initiative to enable global career opportunity for the youth? Assam. On October 30th, which country did the WHO declare the world first eliminate mother-to-child transmission of hepatitis B, HIV and syphilis? Maldives. On October 13th, India unveiled an ambitious 6.4 trillion plan to generate over 76 gigawatt of hydropower by 2047. From which river basin? Brahmaputra River. At which summit on 30th October did US President Donald Trump sign a historic declaration with the leaders of Egypt, Qatar and Turkey to restore peace in Gaza? Sharm el-Sheikh Summit. For what were two American, Joel McCord and Philippe Aghion, and a British professor Peter Hewitt awarded Nobel Prize in Economics for their contribution to understanding economic growth? किसको किसको मिला है? जॉन Mockyer and Philippe Aghion and the British professor Peter Hewitt awarded 2025 in economics. Which day is observed on 30th International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction? Which Canadian foreign minister undertook a 3-day visit to India 12th to 14 October? Anita Anand. Where was the conference of head of United Nations military contributing countries? New Delhi.